Now cutting our sleeve, fold this way, then you fold again. So right now we'll create from the origin 3/4 inch for joining allowance, just like so. Then we'll get the sleeve length, which is 9 inches, just like so, and we get 3 inches for turning in, just like so. Then from the origin we'll get the sleeve cap to be 4 inches, just like so. Then you achieve your sleeve curve on 9 inches width. So you create 2 inches just to do the slanted S curve. So you curve just like so. This is the actual length of the sleeve, then this is the turning point. And you turn in. The round sleeve is 11.5, just like so. That will give us 5.25. Then you add 3/4 inch for seam allowance.